Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to listen to a reading on the Storytel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should go to your homepage and select reading, but you can also select one by typing in its name, by tapping on the search button down below, and you can select the category. You have a bunch of options here, and then you can select from these distinct categories such as most popular in fiction, new in fiction, most awaited, trending, hidden, gems, popular ebooks, and so on. So select one that you are interested in, scroll down, and then click on the listen button in the middle of the screen, and then you will be able to start listening to it once you subscribe to Storytel and start the 14 days trial. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.